On this channel, I'm sharing my journey of looking for alternatives to investing in the stock market. And this is part 2, where I share more about the structure of one of these alternatives. The Magnolia Fund is a community investment fund here in Houston, Texas, that was set up to enable local community members to invest in businesses and neighborhood assets in Houston's East End. After investing $100 in the Magnolia Fund myself, I got so excited to learn more that I booked a meeting with Eric Ibarra, the founder of the Magnolia Fund. Now, Eric's a super nice guy, very gracious and generous with his time and information, and very dedicated to his community. I'm tagging him below, so go follow him too. Next week, I'm going to get to meet him in person and visit and get a tour of the Magnolia Fund's flagship investment, which is a community commercial kitchen for food entrepreneurs. The Magnolia Fund uses a simple and replicable model to enable small investors to pool their funds and invest together in community-based businesses and projects. Let me explain the structure of the Magnolia Fund. The fund was set up as a private limited liability corporation, an LLC, and these can be set up pretty easily. It's intended to operate as a community investment fund. The Magnolia Fund operates within existing securities laws and is structured under the Regulation Crowdfunding framework, which is also referred to as Reg CF. This regulation allows companies to raise capital from everyday investors through approved platforms. The Magnolia Fund has been set up on one of these platforms called the Wefunder platform, which enables the regulated CF structure and provides the web-based interface that enables investors to read the official document filings, to make investments, and to receive profit-sharing payouts in the future. Investors can use any payment method to purchase their investment share. And you guys know I love me a self-directed IRA. You can also purchase your investment share directly into your self-directed IRA. So generally, the model includes 1, the startup company as the private LLC, and 2, the Wefunder approved Reg CF platform and technology provider that enables people to invest and to receive payouts when and if there are any from the Magnolia Fund. Let me emphasize that the Magnolia Fund is a startup business. Now, generally speaking, startups have a high rate of failures. So these are not investments to make with money you cannot afford to lose. The intention, according to the documents on Wefunder, and this is not a guarantee, but the intention is that the Magnolia Fund will be in a position to pay back the original amounts of the investments to investors in 5 years, and that the goal after that is to continue distributing profit sharing of 8% per year to investors. Besides being excited about this investment opportunity in my city, what I hope this does is plant a seed to help others realize that collective community investment is doable. And there are regulations and platforms and models that we can replicate. Let's do this. Thanks for being with me.